Good morning, everyone. Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and we're here in Irvine, and we are going to sand and refinish these solid maple floors. So let me go ahead and turn this thing around. I'll show you guys what we got going, okay? Damn, that don't work. Let's see. There we go. All right. So got this yellowish hue, natural maple. That's what we're looking at. Overall, floors ain't in super bad shape. I mean, they're pretty good in most areas. A couple areas right here, like we could see, water leaked in there. Somehow water got right there. It's definitely water damage. But get that all fixed up. Over here, I don't know if you guys can see it with me, but got a little bit of waviness. Gonna sand that all flat, get everything even right there. Take you guys to this side. This side's overall in pretty good shape. Wear and tear right here, traffic areas, Let's see. So the desk, you can see the floor, you can see all the wear and tear right here, and that's just from the seat going back and forth. Over time it pretty much wears down the finish, but you can tell there's a little wear area right there. So we're gonna sand all this. It's about a little over 1,500 square feet, but we're gonna get everything sanded, get everything going, and I'll do a video update in a few hours. Turn this thing around. I'll do a video update in a couple hours, let you guys know where we're at as far as the process goes. It's going to be a natural here. They love the yellow and the maple, so we're just going to go natural and with the high gloss. So definitely sure it's going to look fantastic when it's all said and done. But I'll do a video update. Everybody take care. We'll see you in a bit.